All right. Hi, fellow ghosties. Due to calamity and chaos, we are doing an incredibly late tour of our room here at the Cabana Bay. We did get into one of the towers facing Volcano Bay. Well, sorry, the tower is facing Volcano Bay. Our room definitely is not. I'll show you our fantastic view, but come on in. We're gonna make this real quick. The room's already messy. I'm sorry, guys. This is chaotic. So we got the 2-bed room, and bathroom is over here. Lots of mirrors. They have that kind of old school beach theme going.
We have separate, so there's the mirror lights and the overhead light are separate.
Just a couple drawers here, it's fine, and then the shelving down there to give you some room. Here's the bathroom. Pretty basic.
Yep.
Nice shower. Okay, so for those of you who are used to going to DVC or Disney resorts, the personal hygiene products they give you here are really cute and kitschy because you get Zest bar soap and VO5 shampoo and conditioner in small things. So be prepared. If your hair cannot handle any of that or it strips it, you need to bring your own stuff. We got a little closet over here, of course, hangers, ironing board, luggage rack.
Extra pillow and blanket.
Yep, extra pillow and blanket. Oh, and a safe. There's a safe in there.
Oh, yes, there is. Didn't use that, but it's there.
Yes. This is the bedroom. There are 2 queen-size beds. Pretty comfy. I won't complain about those. They were great.
Yeah.
We like these lights. It can give you either top or bottom.
Yep, and there's 2 on each bed.
Yeah, so that was really, really nice for lighting. They have a TV, of course, all of your drawers, a mini fridge over here, no microwave and no toaster. So just to keep that in mind. And then, of course, little Cuisinart.
Very, very generic and basic stuff.
Yes.
The only thing to put in your coffee is that powdered non-dairy creamer.
And they do not have creamer downstairs in the area. What is it? The
Bayline Diner.
Yeah, they don't have that. So they do have a lamp over here with a little touch thing to turn it on there. And then they do have their little table and chair set right here with this bizarre orb. We don't really know what this is because we don't know how to activate it. It's not touch. And so we can't get it turned on during the day, but at night it glows, and it glows kind of like the moon. So it's not really a light that you could do much with, maybe like a really, really dim night light. It looks cool if you can sleep with any kind of a light on, but if you can't sleep with any lights on, this is gonna be maybe enough to distract you from sleeping. But I mean, kind of a cool idea, just don't really know what it's for. And then, beautiful view of our parking lot.
Floor to ceiling windows are cool, but...
Yeah, I mean, and we have to walk this every day.
Yes, it is a long walk from the main lobby to this tower, and you do that with all your luggage.
Exactly. So you're walking from all the way over here to, if you see that building over there with like the big raised dots or whatever, that is the main lobby. And there's no inside way of getting there from here. You do have to use outside methods. So that gets really, really hot and really annoying. So don't love that. They also don't really have like full luggage service here. So they let us take a luggage rack with us, haul it all the way over here to bring our stuff and take it back. And they will hold it for you on checkout day. But other than that, they do not deliver it to the room. They don't do anything like that. I don't even believe they unload from the car, like nothing. So just to keep that in mind, that's kind of a big deal, especially for you families that have lots of baggage to bring with you. This is a lot. I would say if you have little kids, lots of baggage, and you're not renting a car, I would not recommend staying in the towers. As cool as the view would be on the side where you can see Volcano Bay, I just don't think for big families it would be worth it because it sure is a lot of lugging around.
Yeah, request a room closer to the lobby.
Please do yourself that favor, yes. So this is and I'm really sorry, guys. Again, this room is such a mess. We're literally checking out right now.
Yep.
So we are dancing out of here, but we just want to make sure we got some kind of a room tour in so you have an idea of what we're talking about when we discuss it later. Lots to discuss on our next podcast, so we will see you then. Until then, have a great day. Bye.